Welcome back to Hot Styles Guitars, and this is a 2-minute drill where the lick comes first, the lesson comes second. Let's get right to it. Got a little beat in the background here. Last time we put 2 notes, or 2 positions and 3 notes with a bend. The new lick we're going to add on the 1st and 2nd string these 2 notes together. We're going to bend up a whole step. So from the 5th fret on the 3rd string, you'll bend a whole step. And then you're going to hold the 2nd and 1st string and hit them. So that's a Chuck Berry kind of riff, AC/DC kind of thing going there. So we've got that lick rocking there, and that lick is actually called the double stop. So what makes that lick pretty awesome is there's so many variations that you can do and kind of keep it in tune with what we've been working on. You know, seeing it musically in something is better than just kind of running a scale. We will talk about scales in a future video, but for now, that was the double stop. Go give it a practice, have fun with it, move it around the neck, and yeah, that's it. So that's the end of the 2-minute drill, and we'll move on to the second half of the video, guitar modification. Alright, so in this episode, we are upgrading the tuners, and we got that done pretty good. If you don't know, we are building the Chemical Kelly, and I'll give some history on that in the introduction to the channel video. So stay tuned for that. But in this one, what we did was we went ahead and we upgraded the tuners. Now in the last episode, I did make a mess and say that these were called pickups, and they are obviously not called pickups. My mistake, they're called tuners, and we changed them out on the Kelly. On the Kelly. So here we go, the reveal for the new tuners is a beautiful burnt chrome. Burnt chrome on the tuners. They all fit just perfect. And they came from Kaish, not Geiker. Kaish is the company. Found them on Amazon. They are great quality. Did a 1-for-1 pop on there. No problems at all. So got that going on. The next part we'll be changing on this guitar is going to be the nut right here. And we'll go a little more in depth on the nut in the later video. But thanks for sticking around for this one. We got the tuners in. Part 2 done. Part 3 coming up. Thanks a lot.